Oh!
Ooh, it's hot. 0.26 amps. No, you can do that.
You gave me the mold that gave me the shape inside here, see? And then we lay this stuff up with epoxy, saturated in epoxy, and then we build a mold on the outside of it, right? And that was your inside. And then the whole thing gets clamped and compressed. It's too complicated to vacuum bag. It's not worth it. It's really expensive. Something like this that isn't really structural, we can just compress it with clamps. Of it magic. Weighs like nothing.
What's it called?
It's called Spherecore. There's little micro balloons in it, and it'll absorb it. You roll it out. Put it in like a container of that, and soak it down with epoxy. Roll it out, and it absorbs the epoxy. And all those little holes are like points of straight epoxy right through from one side of the glass to the other. So you end up, instead of laying up like all these different layers of cloth, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, put this in, and it just doesn't weigh anything. Yeah, like that. Is that in a good spot? You can always make the slot deeper and move it farther forward if it's too far back, you know, right?